Pawan Vijay and his team is always dedicated.
Okay.
He is always timely. I mean, the time schedule is a pakka. This is what we have.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Please, sir. Would you like to say something?
It is coming up very well with the professional services.
Okay.
We wish all the best.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Even for the new services, with keeping pace with the present trend. So I think it is going to be very good and come out very nice.
Definitely, sir. We will try to keep up your expectations. Thank
Have
you.
you got that published today?
So definitely I can arrange for that.
No,
If you
it's
can
okay,
make.
I will take.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you. You are dealing with Chandar only right now, but something about either his services or corporate professionals. What do you like? Yeah, please.
Actually, we are very happy with their services. They were very professional in their approach, and whenever we had a problem, day or night, they've always been at the beck and call, and we wish them all the best and all success.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
We know Pawan now for many years, and I think so we are very happy to see the growth of the company.
And all our good wishes are there.
That is most important.
And what we have seen him that he's now turning more into a solution provider rather than just an advisor. And wish him all the best in life.
Thank you, sir.
Best of luck for corporate professionals.
Thanks
May
a
you
lot.
celebrate in a big way next year.
Next year.
Yeah.
All
Thank
the
you.
best. Thank you.
Good. Actually, I didn't recognize you. Can I ask you something about corporate professionals? But what you like about the corporate professional or Pawan, sir?
He's a childhood friend.
Okay.
I don't need to say anything.
Okay.
Except congratulations to him.
That's really important
well
to
done,
us.
really well done.
Thanks a lot, sir. So I would like to ask you something about corporate professionals. Please say something. Come this way.
Well, I know more about Pawan, and I think Pawan's a very dynamic and a pleasing personality, and whatever he touches turns into gold. So I'm sure corporate professionals also prove to be very successful in merchant banking, and I think Pawan has a correct combination of brains as well as being able to get on well with people. So I wish them all the best.
Thank you,
And
sir.
I think the area he is in, which is merchant banking and corporate sort of consulting, is an excellent area, a niche area to be in. Thank you.
Thank you. Something? Huh?
Way Pawan is doing all the best and type of Indian MNC is going to create in future. It will be really be happy.
Thank you, sir. Shweta, actually, I would like to ask something of professionals. What do you like the most? Or?
It's a very energetic organization. I
Okay.
would say that I am in touch with corporate professionals for almost 10 years and even beyond that.
Okay.
And it has been really pleasure to be in touch with Pawanji, of course. And what would I say? It's difficult to frame up or name the things, the kind of persona and the kind of personality he carries. It actually is
Remarkable.
yes, and it is behind the growth of corporate professionals.
Thank you. That's what I feel. Will you share something? Professionals and Pawan, sir.
Our meeting with him is entirely different, We are not meeting him on the professional level, we are meeting at the college level.
Okay.
We are from the same college.
Okay.
So that is how it is. So I really do not know much about what he does and how he does. But the program we saw today shows that he is doing a good work.
Thank you.
Not only good, but something very great.
Definitely. He is doing something.
Yeah, definitely. Not only
Yes,
something
really.
very great.
Wish him all the best.
Something exemplary word to follow.
Okay, thank you. All the best. Wish you good luck and Happy New Year.
Yeah, you come.
Okay.
I would like to ask you something about corporate professionals and Pawan. You say something?
Pawan is my dearest friend.
Okay.
Wish him all the best.
And what about corporate professionals?
Great.
Great. Something more?
I think emerging professionals.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Okay. say something about corporate professionals?
I don't like anything. And everything is well arranged and all beyond imagination. I never expected.
And what about corporate professionals?
I told you, no, I don't like anything.
Okay.
It's growing big organization. And in such a small period, they have grown.
Thank you.
That's it.
Please write down.
Sir, आप